put this word off to the side because it's a lot like this word. It begins with a consonant, goes straight to a vowel, and then it's got consonant, and then it's got the Y that says what?
E.
E. When Y says E, is it a consonant or a vowel?
Vowel.
It's a vowel, that's right. So these are consonant, vowel, consonant,
Vowel.
vowel. All right. These are both very similar words. They're not spelled the same. They don't mean the same thing. But these are both words that were tricky for you. Now, what was this word again?
Tiny.
Tiny. 2 syllables. Can you remember what this word is now? Or figure it out by what you know about tiny. Figure out this one.
Many.
Many. All right. What do you notice about the end of both of those words?
Tiny get an N and a Y, and many get N and a Y.
N and a Y. So if you recognize the ending sounds, the way that the endings are if you recognize the way the endings are spelled, you can figure out the sounds for the endings too. Because when you said the word many, I remember I wrote it down, the mistake that you made, you called this word main. And if I look at this, M-A-N, now we would need another vowel inside of this for it to be main. It'd be M-A-I-N. But these letters are all in main. Where you were making your mistake was not recognize that this was a 2-syllable word. So that's what we have the blue cards here for today. Let's start with many and tiny, since those have a similar pattern that was tricky for you. And I'm going to write the word many on the card. I want you to clap many. Where do it does have 2. Where do you hear the pause between your claps? Where are you hearing that?
A and an N.
The A and the N. Clap it. Let me see you do it again.
Many.
Many. You can use this orange marker, and I want you to draw a line just like we did the other day, and divide it. Divide it on the syllable. Here we go. Now you're going to do the same word with the word tiny, and so we're going to have a partner card for each one of these. I didn't even say you clap that one. You've got it on the right spot. Clap it, just double check yourself. Okay, let's do, we've got many, we've got tiny. Partner them up, so stack them together once we've got them done. Stack them together. No, the matches. Match them up. Okay, you can keep the orange marker, okay? How about this word? What was it?
Hungry.
Hungry. I'm going to write it out. Can you spell it for me?
Hungry.
Y. Clap hungry for me. Okay, say it again. Where do you see, where do you hear the separation of the 2 sounds?
N and G.
Perfect. Separated at the N and the G. Because it's hungry, right?
Yes.
All right. Put hungry and hungry together. Stack them off to the side. All right. You can pick a word now that you want to make a syllable card for.
Jelly.
Jelly. Okay, spell it for me.
Jelly.
Clap jelly for me.
Jelly.
2. Where do you hear it?
The L next to the other L.
Right between the 2 L's. Very good, Montreal. Go ahead and divide those. Yeah, make your line go all the way up to the top so it doesn't look like a letter in the middle. There you go. All right, put jelly with jelly. Go ahead. Which word do you want to do next?
Center.
Center, okay. Spell it for me.
C-E-N-T-E-R.
All right, clap center.
Center.
Where do I divide center?
The N and T.
The N and the T, very good. Okay, pair them up. Let's put them off to the side. All right, now let's do another one. Pick it.
Turtle.
Okay, spell it.
T-U-R-T-L-E. U-R-T-L-E-S.
Okay. Clap it. You can clap it again if you need to.
R and a T.
That is right. Put them up, stack them up. Pick another word that we haven't done yet.
Feeding.
Okay, spell it.
F-E-E-D-I-N-G.
Stop feeding.
Two.
Okay. But before you use your marker, tell me where.
The I and a D.
Very good. Very, very good. I'm excited because we haven't practiced dividing them together yet. We've clapped them. We've done a lot of sound work, but you're getting the marks exactly right the first time. Let's see. Give me another one.
E.
Escape. Escape. Spell it for me.
E-S-C-A-P-E.
I spelled that faster than I can write it. All right. Clap escape.
Escape. The C and the A.
Okay. Let's see. The C and the A, I'm going to say it for you. That would be X. Ape. Ape. Does that sound like where I divide it? Okay, let's try again.
The A and a P.
A and a P. That would be escape. Is the P by itself?
No.
What is that? What is that E attached to?
The A.
The A. Remember when we blocked it off? Block off where you see a little word inside this word. Block it for me. Okay. What word is that?
A C.
Okay. What word is that now? If I block it off to the C.
Cape.
Cape. Okay. Try it again now.
The S and a C.
But I want to hear you say it.
Skate.
Well, it doesn't start with scape. It's escape.
Escape. The
Escape.
escape.
Which letters make S and which letters make cape? Escape.
The
Escape.
The S and a K.
Is that a K?
C.
C. You're right. Let's divide it there. Okay. On the blue card, thank you. Divide it down there. Now the reason why is this vowel and this consonant, they go together and make their own sound. So that says S and that says cape. And so if you were wearing a cape, clap just cape by itself. Cape. It's a syllable all by itself, right? So sometimes, we'll talk about rules for syllables in just a minute. We're not worried about the rules right now. We just want to sort them out, partner them up, and then divide the syllables. One left.
Water.
Water. Spell it for me.
W-A-T-E-R.
You already knew how to spell that one, didn't you?
Yes.
Very good. Clap it.
Water. The A and the T.
Very good. And I heard you whispering it to yourself. I heard the wa by itself, ter, and you double checked yourself. I heard you do it 2 times. Water. Excellent. All right, we've got all these pairs now, and what we want to do, our collection of cards has really grown because it started with words that you couldn't read by yourself. It grew into words you could read by yourself. Then it grew into words that you could sort by beginning sounds. And now you have the words sorted by, not sorted by, but labeled by syllables. So let's look at all of these and make sure the syllable card is on top. Keep them together like this. Okay? Keep the syllable cards together. Just like this. So the syllable's on top. All right. let's now, I'm going to flip over my sorting mat. And this time, I'll get a new sorting mat. This time we are going to divide them by, well, here, move these. We're going to divide them by syllables that are split on a vowel, so split. I should say the word at, a vowel, and syllables that are split between consonants. So the vowels are, tell me all the vowels again.
A, E, I, O, U.
Okay, and then the consonants are every other letter, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if you see that on either side of the line you see a vowel, you're going to sort it into the split on a vowel. If you see that both sides of the line are consonants, then sort it into that side. And you can keep them stacked together, but I want to see if you can do this whole sort by yourself. The whole one. Let's see. I think you can. You did the dividing so quickly, I think you can do it. Say the word before you put it down.
Time.
Okay. Is it split on a vowel, or is it both consonants?
Both. Split on a vowel.
Split on a vowel. Put it in the split on a vowel side. Okay?
Split on a vowel?
You're asking me. Look at the letters.
Yeah.
Look at the letters. Okay? Go ahead. Put the blue cards aside. We're done with those for
Split on a vowel.
Which vowel? And I did say I wanted to hear you say the words first. So, word.
Tiny.
Which vowel is in that split? Okay. Word.
Hungry.
Which vowel is in that split?
U.
Okay.
On.
What vowel is in that split? On the split.
A.
Okay.
Escape. A vowel. This vowel. This vowel.
It doesn't matter if you're out of room. We can go up to the side if you need to. Say the word and
Jelly.
say what vowel?
E.
Okay.
Mini.
What vowel?
Simple. E.
E. All right. Now, you told me all of the words. You told me what vowel. And so on this word sort, you've decided that every word is split at a vowel.
Yeah.
So there's no words that were split between two consonants.
No.
No. Okay. I'm going to use this, our tadpole card. Okay. Since this was the first one that we split together, when we recognized that the double consonant, or excuse me, that the double syllable words were the ones that you were having the most trouble with. Okay. This word is what?
Tadpole.
Tadpole, right. And a tadpole is a
Baby frog.
a baby frog. Where did we split this word? Between the
D and the P.
We split it between the D and the P. Is this word split at a vowel or split between two consonants?
Two consonants.
Which consonants?
A D and a P.
The D and the P. So it goes over here. Do you see any other words over here where the split line is between two consonants? Because I didn't mean does it have a vowel. Which one? Turtles. Why did you pick turtles? What consonants is that split on? Or between?
The R and a T.
Right, and so the split for the syllable is between the R and the T. Put it over there.
Center.
Center? What consonants?
N and the T.
Okay. Are you seeing where you made a mistake right now?
Yes.
What did you accidentally do?
I put every card on this side.
On the side for split at a vowel. And there are vowels, because I remember when I asked you, I don't, if it was the word center, you said split on a vowel, and I said, what vowel? And you said
E.
E. There is a vowel in there, but where it's actually split is not at the vowel, it's between the two consonants, right? See if you have any other ones you need to fix in this, and then we'll go over and see if it's correct. Do you have any other ones you need to fix?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Jelly. Hungry.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you're just straightening up now? That needs to go up there. Why? Why does that one go there?
Because, yes.
Well, look at the rule on our sorting mat. It's what?
It's a split
At
a vowel.
It's a vowel. All right. What about these two? Where do they go?
At a vowel.
Mm-hmm.
Split at a vowel.
All right. You know what? When you figured out what you did wrong, when we looked at the word tadpole and figured it out, you got 100% right. They're all correct. So you did an excellent job doing the syllables. You did an excellent job sorting them afterwards, and also not just splitting the syllables, but the sounds. You also marked them correctly. The only one that was tricky was this one, and that was also in your tricky word pile. I pulled it out for a reason. So let's see. I want to get our other two green cards, and we already did this one. Let's try this one word.
A few.
Are you guessing sounds? Are you guessing sounds right now? Okay, let's not guess sounds. Let's look at the card. And let's use this as sort of an example too.
And
Yeah. Okay. And remember, when you're stuck on a vowel sound, you're trying I keep hearing try to switch the vowel sound to the other sound that you know.
Enough.
As soon as you said E, you said the correct word. Say it again.
Enough.
Enough. So what I heard you doing was going and I. What does this sound make right here?
F.
F. So I heard you trying to make this short E work, and I could just tell that you knew that wasn't going to be a real word, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. But the very first time you switched this E to a long E, you said the word immediately. What word is it again?
Enough.
Enough. Clap it.
Enough.
Oh, I forgot to have you spell it to me. Go ahead.
E-N-O-U-D-H.
Okay. Clap enough. Where do we split enough? Clap it again.
E. The O and the U.
The O and the U. So when we say enough, do we say enough?
No. The E and the O.
The what?
The N and the O.
So we say N up, N up. What do we
No.
say? Because we don't say eh.
The U and The G.
This one's a little tricky. Let me help you with this one. I want you to listen to me do it. Listen, ready? Enough. Enough. Where are we going to split it?
This one.
It is hard. Look, you can watch me. Enough. That's enough. Would it help if I showed you blocking it? I'm not going to show you with the marker. I'll show you blocking it, okay? Enough. Enough.
The E and the N.
Try blocking it there. Now, when I say Montreal, that is enough. Clap it. Enough. So because that long vowel sound is all by itself, it can be its own syllable. Syllable. Remember when we were talking about syllables? I don't remember how long ago it was, but we were talking about bingo. Bingo. No, that was a bad example. I'll think of another example too. I think for right now we've had enough of this word sort, right? Okay, I'm going to keep this one pulled out because it was tricky. This one pulled out because it's tricky. We're going to keep tab full with our words. And we'll revisit these. But you did a very nice job with the consonant sort today. Nice job, Montreal.